In this video, we will discuss heading styles and how to apply them in the rich content editor within Canvas. Headings create a nested hierarchy of content within a document and help to communicate the overall organization of content. Headings make the structure of your Canvas site accessible to assistive technology, like screen readers, which utilizes headings to convey the organization of content and provide navigation within the document. Canvas gives its page title a Heading Level 1 tag, so heading styles start with a Heading Level 2, which should be applied to the document's title. A document should only have one Heading Level 2. Each heading of a section in the document should utilize a Heading Level 3 style. New subsections should utilize Heading Level 4. Users should continue this process for all sections of the document. To add a heading style, select the text you want to format and click Paragraph. Then, select the appropriate heading style. Heading styles can also be added by clicking Format in the menu bar. Hover over Format and then Headings. Select the appropriate heading. To change a heading style, select the heading text, click on Paragraph, and choose another heading style. Thank you for watching this video on applying heading styles in Canvas's rich content editor. For additional support, please visit CDL.UCF.EDU/support.